Welcome to Strange Sounds, the iDoser.com series about strange, supernatural, or odd audio. The Earth's magnetic field, our planet's invisible shield, has protected life for billions of years. But what if you could hear its mysterious power? Using data from the European Space Agency's swarm satellites, scientists crafted an eerie soundscape of the Laschamp event, a magnetic reversal from 41,000 years ago. This unsettling alien rumble reveals the field's weakening during cosmic ray bombardments. Stay tuned to hear the haunting sound of Earth's magnetic heartbeat.